Welcome to King Burger. May I take your order?
No thanks. I just need to use your bathroom.
Oh, I'm sorry. Only customers can use our bathrooms.
Okay then, I like a small fry.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. We are all out of small fries.
Oh, okay, then I just want a hamburger.
I'm sorry. We are all out of hamburgers.
What? Okay then, I like a milkshake.
I'm sorry. We are out of milkshakes, too.
I would like a large Coke.
We don't have those either.
I would like a large tea.
We don't have those either.
What do you have?
Soy burgers?
Okay then, I'll take a soy burger.
I'm sorry. We just ran out about 5 seconds ago.
I don't like this place. What is this place called?
King Burger.
I don't... What else do you have?
Nothing.
I'm leaving.
Whatever.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.